The 2011 Mazda 3. A 2010 Car and Driver's 10 Best Award winner, the Mazda 3 meets your vehicle wants and needs. Powerful and economical, technologically savvy, and boasting top safety features, the Mazda 3 is the total package. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, driver and passenger airbag, clock, power door locks, tachometer, center console, shift knob, plastic rubber, aspiration, normal, engine immobilizer, fuel type, gas. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.